Extending the NetBeans IDE and need to install an NBM plugin file? These are module packages containing extensions for NetBeans. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through installing these NetBeans module files. I call this the last resort solution for those NBM files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. An NBM file is a module or plugin package for the Apache NetBeans Integrated Development Environment, IDE. It bundles code, resources, and metadata needed to extend the IDE's functionality. Users install NBM files to add support for new languages, frameworks, or tools, customizing their development environment. The NBM format is essentially a zip archive with a specific internal directory structure and a manifest file, Info.xml. This manifest contains metadata about the module such as its version, dependencies, and package contents. This container-based design simplifies distribution and ensures the IDE's module manager can install and manage dependencies reliably. For full editing functionality, NBM requires Apache NetBeans, which is supplied by Apache Software Foundation. To ensure the integrity of the system files, a dedicated utility should be used instead of Windows default. Windows cannot interpret interface or extension data, so plugins require their matching program. We are initiating the software crosscheck. Right-click your NBM file and choose Open With. Test with Apache NetBeans first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. If you are still having trouble opening the NBM file, do not worry. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this NBM file is failing to load. First, installing in NetBeans. Launch Apache NetBeans and navigate to Tools, then Plugins. Click the Downloaded tab, then add plugins and browse to the NBM file. Select the file and click Install. NetBeans validates dependencies and installs the module. Restart the IDE when prompted to activate the new plugin functionality and features. Next, examining as archive to say, rename the NBM extension to .zip and open with 7-zip or WinRAR to inspect contents. Examine the manifest file dependencies and jar libraries inside. This examination helps verify plugin authenticity check, version, compatibility, and understand module functionality before installation in security-conscious development environments. Finally, building from source. For open source NBM modules, access the source code from GitHub or the project repository. Build the NBM file using Maven or Ant with NetBeans build configuration. This approach ensures security through code review and enables customization of plugin behavior, matching specific development workflow requirements and policies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.